Every year, billions leave Africa, straight to France. Not as loans or aid, but through a system designed to keep wealth flowing out. Even using their own money comes at a price. African nations must pay fees and interest just to access what should already belong to them. Imagine getting fired. But the company tells you that every time you get a new job, you still owe them a cut. Now, let's name the countries one by one. Senegal, Ivory Coast, Mali, Niger, Burkina Faso, Cameroon, Benin, Togo, Guinea-Bissau, Chad, Gabon, Equatorial Guinea, the Central African Republic, and the Republic of the Congo. If you look at their national budgets, you'll see a large chunk of it going straight to France. Now, imagine what could happen if they had control over that money. How many schools could be built? How many hospitals could be upgraded? How many businesses could thrive? The possibilities are endless. Some nations have tried to break free before, but the consequences were severe. Guinea was the first to resist in 1958, under President Ahmed Sékou Touré. He rejected the CFA franc, choosing full independence over continued French control. France retaliated immediately, withdrawing overnight, taking assets, and reportedly sabotaging their infrastructure. Guinea had to rebuild from almost nothing. Mali tried in 1962, creating its own currency, but by 1984, economic pressure forced it back into the CFA franc. It was not easy. Economic punishment and political pressure pushed many countries back in. Most stayed tied to the system because they had no choice. Now, a new movement is rising. Mali, Niger, and Burkina Faso are working to leave the CFA franc. They want their own currency and full control. Chad and Senegal are rethinking their ties to France. The Ivory Coast removed French troops to take back control. These shifts show that the demand for economic independence is growing stronger. That's a wrap, history seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.